Hello, and welcome to What's New in Ideate BIMLink for the November 2019 release. My name is Richard Taylor with Ideate Software, and thanks for joining me today for this short update video. This video is designed for existing Ideate BIMLink customers and covers the new features and benefits found within the November 2019 release for Ideate BIMLink. The November 2019 release of Ideate BIMLink impacts versions for Revit 2017 through 2020, as shown here. Remember to update your existing versions to access these improvements. You can review your installed Ideate BIMLink version by selecting the Check for Updates option on the Ideate BIMLink pull-down menu. Now, let's take a look at the new features and benefits of this exciting release. This update to Ideate BIMLink has a brand new user interface. This includes the main Ideate BIMLink dialog and homepage that makes Ideate BIMLink easier to understand for new users, with help links and a quick start guide right on the homepage. The Ideate BIMLink homepage is dynamic and will change if you already have Ideate BIMLink definitions that are defined within your Revit project. This can be extremely helpful even for advanced users of Ideate BIMLink. The homepage can be completely customized to your company, and we'll talk about that in a bit. The main Ideate BIMLink dialog has been greatly simplified. Most of the previous File and Tool drop-down menus have been consolidated on the right-click option menu. Creating new links or loading existing links has been moved to the New Link Creation dialog, where we have consolidated all those functions. The main Ideate BIMLink dialog now only has 4 menu selections. Choose the New button to access the Creation dialog. With quick access to browse are hundreds of included sample link definitions found in the delivered library. You can also create new links from a specified category or by using an existing schedule. Here is where you can load an existing link definition that may have been saved by right-clicking on the link. The included library link definitions are organized around discipline and workflows. Your favorites are still there, but we've added revision management, create elements, and beyond schedules for folders. Speaking of content, our included link definitions in the delivered library has grown to over 250. The Beyond Schedules folder was created in this release to highlight the many data categories that are supported by Ideate BIMLink but are not supported by Revit schedules. Most of the content in this folder has been in existence for many releases. However, we've added new links for editing the depth queuing of view settings, editing reference planes within the family environment, and reviewing phase settings. In this version, we have updated and added to the link definitions found within the Kobe Links folder to better align with the BIM Interoperability Toolkit. For this reason, these links have shared parameters that will only work when those parameters exist within the project file. We've also updated and added to the revision management and create new workflows. I'll speak about some of the create new workflows a bit later. You can now have multiple directories defined where you can load link definitions. You can even take our delivered sample content and place that on a shared network drive for all users to access. Simply click on the settings cog in the main Ideate BIMLink dialog to set locations for link definitions and custom home screen content. You can even push corporate standards by defining an Ideate BIMLink text settings file. Now you can create even more Revit elements with Ideate BIMLink. For quite a few versions, we've had the ability to create unplaced sheets, rooms, spaces, and areas. We've also had the ability to create key schedules and revision sequences. For model elements, we've been able to place mass elements and generic model elements based on coordinates. We greatly expanded the capability to create many more Revit elements from the Excel information, including new types per an existing Revit family, which is similar to a type catalog. We can create plan-based views as well as drafting and 3D views. Creating new levels within the project is also supported. In addition to the creation of sheets with title blocks, we can also place existing views on sheets by specifying the X and Y location on the sheet as well as the viewport type. Our placement of Revit elements has greatly expanded beyond masses and generic models. You can now place furniture, furniture systems, plantings, site and specialty equipment elements using X, Y, and Z coordinates or level assignments. Our May 2019 release of Ideate Sticky extended the functionality of that specific Ideate software solution to BIM 360. Now, our November 2019 release of Ideate BIMLink follows that path of increased collaboration. Excel exports and imports from Ideate BIMLink can be initiated from Excel files stored on BIM 360 and accessed via the Autodesk desktop connector. We are only able to maintain our quality through your excellent communications with our team. If you have a moment, please do send us your requests. You can do this through the Help menu as shown. Even if you need more information in our help file, we want to know, so be sure to drop us a line. There are two ways to access this new release. From within the Ideate BIMLink application, you can find updates via the Help menu as shown. You can also download all our software from www.ideatesoftware.com/download. When you subscribe with Ideate software, you have access to the solutions that work with the current Revit version plus 3 earlier versions. You also have access to point release improvements that we make throughout your subscription period. If you have any support-related questions or are in need of a new or updated network license file, be sure to email us at support@ideatesoftware.com. Be sure to review our in-product and online help files for detailed information on how to make the most of Ideate BIMLink, including detailed information on many supported workflows. For more information on Ideate software, including online training, recorded videos, and upcoming events, visit us online at www.ideatesoftware.com. For any questions related to Ideate software pricing, please contact your local sales partner or email us at sales@ideatesoftware.com. We continually strive to listen to our customers and make updates to our software that are meaningful, efficient, and solve customer problems. We hope you enjoy these improvements to Ideate BIMLink for the November 2019 release. I'm Richard Taylor, and thanks for watching.